Hey guys, I'm Alex Ong from Mr. Tax, and you are now watching the hands-on of the iOS 12 public beta on iPad. Apple's iOS 12 public beta 2 update is now available to download and is able to make your iOS device better. iOS 12 is currently in beta, and our final opinion might change after the stable build is available for everyone. Let's start with the gesture. With iOS 12 beta, iPad also gained the iPhone X gesture like swipe up from the bottom to return home and check Control Center by pulling down from the top right corner. The annoying thing about the new gesture is that I'm hardly able to call out the recent app panel. On iPhone X, you just need to pull up from the bottom and hold. However, on iPad, it often recognizes the gesture as going to the home page. The 5 fingers and 4 fingers gesture are still here on iPad, which I think makes it more confusing for the consumers. Next is the notification bundle. Notification from the same app will be bundled and only show you the notification bundle. Even with the bundled notification, I still feel that the notification shade is very crowded. Maybe because it is still in beta, the notification from the same app but different day will not be bundled up. Apple claimed that iOS 12 will increase the performance up to 70%. The most obvious performance increase is the keyboard. Keyboard show up faster and able to keep up with your typing speed after iOS 12 upgrade. To me, this only applies on English keyboard. Currently, I'm using Google Keyboard on my iPad with English and Chinese as my language. Oftentimes, I will need to change between English and Chinese. After iOS 12 software upgrade, I feel very satisfied with what Apple claimed, but only until I change to Chinese. Even after I upgrade to iOS 12 public beta 2, I still feel that Chinese typing still lagging behind. As for ARKit 2, I still do not have the chance to test out the multiplayer gaming, as only I, the one, upgraded my iPad to iOS 12 public beta. What ARKit 2 really benefited the consumer is that the addition of the Measure app. I still have not tested out the accuracy of the Measure app, but I do believe Apple will make sure its Measure app is accurate. As for the weekly activity summary, I am not sure about how useful it is for others, but I really feel unhelpful to me. My main usage of the iPad is documents browsing, data searching on the web, and script typing. Most of the time, the activity summary will show that my usage of productivity apps is very high. Not sure whether I should feel proud that I am a workaholic or should I be sad that I spend most of my time working. For other things like Photos app and camera change, I could not really test it as using the iPad to capture photo is very inconvenient, and I use Google Photo as my main gallery app on iOS and Android. That is all for this hands-on. If you feel that I missed out something or you want me to talk more on the stable build of iOS 12, remember to comment down below to let me know. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. See you on the next video.